direct alcohol in this zeolites, what they direct convert into alcohol to gasoline. Gasoline means what? Petrol. In petrol preparation they will use. Definition clear, student, everyone? Once read, check it. The catalytic reaction that depends upon the pore structure of the catalyst on the size of the reactant and product molecules is known as or is called shape selective catalyst. What are the examples, students, here? Hello? What are the examples, students?
ZSM5.
Yes.
Zeolite.
Please respond, everyone. Only one or two people they respond. Remaining.
ZSM5 and zeolite.
What is mean by shape selective catalyst? Ritisha? Ritisha? What is Ritisha Reddy? Maitri Reddy? What is mean by shape selective catalyst? Yeah, tell me, ma.
The catalyst reaction that depends upon the pore structure of the catalyst and size of the reactants and products molecules is called as
Very good. What
shape
are the example, ma?
ZSM5 and zeolite.
Good, very good. Amit?
Yes, sir.
Amit Bose, Prince. What is mean by homogeneous catalyst? Last time you are getting in CDF 0 marks.
Sir,
Next time everyone should write first CDF. Everyone should get a chemistry out of what you should get.
okay,
Only
sir.
they're asking 5 bits. 5 bits you can't write.
Okay, sir.
Please, students, everyone should write first CDF exam. In the CDF, everyone should get good score. I think everyone having that CDF material with you, correct?
No, sir.
Sir, I didn't get the books yet, sir.
Please come and collect here in campus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And before 10th, we are submitting about all this your documents. Please come and collect. Yes, is it clear the shape selective catalyst? What are the example? What type of structure? Where they will use? What are the examples? Dhanush or Dhanush?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me what is mean by homogeneous catalyst?
homogeneous catalyst, sir.
Okay, tell me at least shape selective catalyst. Dhanush. Dhanush. Any doubts, students? G Chetan, is it clear? Yes. Next, enzyme catalyst. See now, generally in chemistry, in any chemical reaction, you use catalyst. Without catalyst, you won't get direct product, particular product. Now, enzyme catalyst. Enzyme catalyst. If you are using in the chemical reaction instead of catalyst enzymes, what type of products you will get? Enzyme catalyst. Enzyme catalyst. Students, hello. See, enzymes are a complex nitrogenous organic compound. Enzymes are complex nitrogenous organic compound which are produced by living plants and animals. Which are produced by animals and plants. But they are actually protein molecules of very high. See now, instead of catalyst, in generally chemical reaction, inversion of cane sugar, yesterday we discussed already pseudo first order examples also. In chemical kinetics, pseudo first order example already we discussed here. Ester hydrolysis, inversion of cane sugar, and homogeneous catalyst last example also we discussed here. Inversion of cane sugar, correct? Inversion of cane sugar. Cane sugar upon hydrolysis you will get glucose and fructose. Yes, student. Their catalyst is there. If the inversion of cane sugar, instead of catalyst, if you are using enzyme catalyst, what are the products you will get? What are the products you will get? Dhanush and Karthik. Dhanush
Sir.
and Karthik. Yeah. See now, inversion of cane sugar. What is the cane sugar formula, students? You know very well inversion of cane sugar. What is the formula, students? Inversion of cane sugar, homogeneous catalyst, third example. Hello? Hello, students? Kirti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, ma, what is the formula inversion of cane sugar? Likita?
C12H22.
Likita respond. Inversion of cane sugar, example, tell me. Enzyme catalyst. What is the first example means? Inversion of cane sugar. Yes. What is the formula, student here? C12 H22
O11.
O11. Very good. Upon hydrolysis. Yes. Now here, aqueous. Here they are using instead of catalyst invertase. Invertase. Enzyme they are using. Invertase. Then what type of products you will get in here? You will get same product. What are that? Glucose and fructose. But glucose and fructose both are sugars. But same molecular formula also same. But coming to glucose is aldehyde functional group. Fructose is ketone functional group. What is the glucose formula? C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. This is called glucose. This is called fructose. Yes, is it clear, student? The first equation.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Next, conversion of glucose into ethyl alcohol. Second example. Conversion of glucose into ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Yes. What is the glucose formula, student here? C6
H12O6.
H12O6. Glucose formula. Yes. Here they are using gymase. Enzyme name gymase. What is ethyl alcohol formula? Ethyl alcohol formula, students. 2 moles of will get ethyl alcohol C2H5OH plus what is the byproduct here? Carbon dioxide. Please note down. Enzyme catalyst. Examples note down. Aqueous. Ethyl alcohol is aqueous. Aqueous solution.
Sir, can you tell the enzyme catalyst definition, sir?
Examples note down. Yes, completed.
ಇರೋಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹಂಗ್ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ತೀಯ ನೀನ್ ಸುಮ್ನೆ.
Hello, completed students.
Yes, sir. Sir, what is it written, sir? Inversion of cane sugar.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Inversion.
Only reading.
Sundar note just now parents call you. Immediately call them. Ask them to come campus. G Sundar respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is meant by osmosis?
Osmosis, sir.
Yes. What is meant by osmosis? It's not on man. Yeah. Call them parents. I will speak. Doing extra stuff in class.
Flow of solvent, sir.
Everyone on your camera, students. I want to see your class work now. On your camera, everyone. On your camera, everyone, student. Whoever they are left, ma'am, those people not on ours. Okay. On your camera, everyone, student. Sonali, Jayan, Aryan, BM Mithun, Satyavartan, everyone, please on your camera and I want to see your notebook now. On your notebook, everyone on your camera, student. Sundar, on your camera,
Sir, my camera is not working, sir.
not working.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, in my laptop, I don't have camera, sir. External camera, I don't have right now. I'll send the notes if you want in WhatsApp, sir.
Is it ready? Dhanush, show me your note.
Sir?
Before class note, show me.
Me. Sir?
1 second. Jitesh, Sonali, Aryan, BM Mithun. Sonali, show me your notebook. Ritisha, Aryan R Punjabi. Sheikh Afil, Abhishek, Sumair, Jeevan, Kartikeya, Jitesh, Prajwal, Gaurish, Sushant, Harshavardhan, Inchera, Sujan Reddy, Gagana, Harshit, Satya M, Aditya Nishad, Nikhil, Shreyas BR, Karthik. Please on your camera and show me your notes. Prajwal,
Just showed, sir.
show me your notes. Hello. Show me your notes. Sumair, Kartikeya, Jitesh, Prajwal, Sushant, Jitesh, Sumair, Sonali, Aryan or Punjabi, Abhishek Prashant, Jitin yes, Jitin, G1 respond, G1 G.
Yes, sir.
Show me your notes, G1. Z1.
Sir, can you turn off video?
Yeah. G1. G Sundar.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Show me
sir.
your notes.
Sir, my camera is not working, sir. I'll send photos, sir.
Amit. Show me your notes. Turn next page. RNR.
Yes, sir.
Harshavardhan. Show me your notebook.
Sir, can you see?
RNR.
Yes, sir. Can you see?
No.
One minute. Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'll show, sir.